We hear a lot of buzzwords these days. Industry 4.0, IoT, ITOT convergence, data lakes. But despite all that noise, most factories are still stuck. Every day, companies lose time, money, and trust. Not because machines fail, but because systems don't talk. That disconnect between the office and the factory floor is the ITOT gap. The truth is that fewer than 1 in 4 companies have really connected their enterprise systems to their production lines. So, how does it look in your factory? On the ERP screen, everything looks perfect. But on the factory floor, data is still pushed around on paper, printed, carried, retyped. We call it the handcart method, and it's the best way to guarantee labeling errors every single day. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Once those errors reach the package, the impact is real. Massive failures that add up to more risk, more waste, and more cost. Now imagine the same factory but without the chaos. With the right system, it takes only one touch, and everything just works. Orders flow instantly to every machine, and real-time data flows back, giving you a live, accurate picture. No paper, no retyping, and no fragile integrations. Just purpose-built software connecting IT and OT. Because when systems finally talk, errors drop, recalls decrease, OEE improves, and your margins follow. The truth is simple. Every day you wait, the gap gets more expensive. It's time to get your factory secure, efficient, and without ripping out your infrastructure. See CoLOS in action.